Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to answer or reject calls with one tap in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you want to answer or reject your calls with just a single tap, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your settings. From settings, just scroll down and look for accessibility options. Tap on it, and here tap on interaction and dexterity. Then tap on assistant menu, and here you will get replace swipe with single tap. Just enable that, and after enabling that you can respond to alarms, alerts and incoming calls by tapping instead of swiping. And after doing that you just have to go back and go for your dial pad app, and just go back to your home screen. From here just open your phone call app and then tap on three dots in the top right corner, tap on settings, then tap on answering and ending calls. From here, you just have to tap on get responsive calls. It will be swipe. You must have to tap on tap. And here just select tab option. And after that, you can easily answer or reject your calls with just a single tap. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.